Hello everyone, I hope you all must be absolutely well. Um, Welcome back to the fresh episode of Bukai Manshu. Actually, today I think you guys must be wondering that from where I am making this video because it seems more like a room and everything. So it's my home, it's my own room. Actually, the thing is that right now it's a lockdown period going on in Delhi, and I think not only in Delhi, actually most of the cities of India, it's lockdown going on, and yeah, so we can't go out, and we have to follow all these measures. After all, it is for our safety only. So we are also following that lockdown. We should follow. Every Indian should follow these measures because this is for our safety. So, anyways, let's move on the topic. Actually, today's video will not be about a food vlog, or I'm not reviewing any kind of a food today, not even my home food or not even any other food, not even I'm comparing anything. Actually, today's video is more about a challenge. यू गाइज हर्ड राइट, बहुत सही सुना आप लोगों ने. आज का वीडियो एक चैलेंज के ऊपर है. एक्चुअली फ्रॉम कपल ऑफ मंथ्स आई एम वर्किंग ऑन अ प्रोजेक्ट. बेसिकली I tell you guys right now that I am working on my weight loss. So I started my journey from 107 kilos. Currently I am on 75 kgs. My weight today, only in the morning I have checked my weight. It's 75 kilos. So currently I'm stuck with my weight. I'm not able to lose my weight because my weight is not going down, and I want it to be around 68 to 70 kilos. So I'm more 5 to 7 kgs overweight. I want to lose it. So few days back I was figuring out few things, few videos over YouTube. So मेरे को एक वीडियो मिला. Actually this is a concept, people a scientific concept basically, and इसको लेके बहुत ज़्यादा challenges भी हैं YouTube पे. The thing is that it's a 2 gallons of water per day for 7 days. इसमें क्या होता है, बेसिकली 2 gallons is a unit of measuring water or any liquid form which we use it in United States, and in US we use gallons, but in India we use liters, and 2 gallons is roughly around 7.5 liters somewhere. So इस चैलेंज के अंदर हमें 7 days तक जो है वो 7 days तक हमें 7.5 लीटर्स वाटर पीना है हर दिन. एंड आई रेड कपल ऑफ आर्टिकल्स ऑल्सो, और उस सब में ये बताया गया है कि इसको पीने के, इतना पानी पीते हैं अगर हम, सो काफ़ी ज़्यादा हेल्थ बेनिफिट्स भी हैं. जैसे आपकी स्किन अच्छी होती है. आई डोंट नो वेदर यू गाइस कैन सी और नॉट, माई स्किन इज़ नॉट इट ऑल इन अ गुड कंडीशन. सो या गाइस, जैसे मैं आप लोगों को बता रहा था, एक्चुअली मेरा कंडीशन स्किन का, सॉरी फॉर द डिस्टर्बेंस, अभी कोई रूम में एंटर हो गया था तो वीडियो में थोड़ा सा डिस्टर्बेंस हुआ. आई एम सॉरी फॉर दैट. सो या एनीवेज, मेरा स्किन कंडीशन अभी सही नहीं है. आई डोंट नो वेदर यू गाइस कैन सी और नॉट. आई हैव कपल ऑफ एक्नेज ओवर दिस रीजन. मेरे को हमेशा लेफ्ट साइड का जो चीक होता है ना, इस पर एक्ने रहता है, एंड इवन माई स्किन इज़ वे टू सेंसिटिव. सो इसका जो है मैं आपको बता दूंगा, इधर 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 सब जगह आपको आ रहा होगा कि मैंने जो आर्टिकल पढ़ा है उसके क्या क्या बेनिफिट्स हैं. ऑल्दो मैं आपको अभी बोल के भी बता देता हूँ, बट मैं वैसे भी आपको बता रहा हूँ कि उसके क्या क्या बेनिफिट्स हैं. फर्स्ट थिंग इज़ दैट कि वो स्किन कंडीशन आपकी इम्प्रूव करता है. सेकेंड थिंग, आपके डार्क सर्कल्स, जो अंडर आई डार्क सर्कल्स होते हैं, इनको भी इम्प्रूव करता है. एंड यू गाइज नो वेरी वेल that just because of the unhealthy lifestyle which we guys have in cities, and nowadays in cities we used to use our phones and electronic media a lot, because electronic items a lot, and because of which हम लोगों को डार्क सर्कल्स आते हैं. एंड आई डोंट नो मुझे कैसे आ गए. इनको मैंने तो अपना पता बताया नहीं था, इनविटेशन दिया नहीं था. सॉरी फॉर द बैकग्राउंड नॉइज. अभी सब्जी वाले ही आते हैं और कोई नहीं आता है मेरी स्ट्रीट में, जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ कोविड. सॉरी फॉर एनीवेज. सो मैंने इनविटेशन तो दिया नहीं था, पता नहीं कहाँ से आ गए. इन लोगों को भगाने की बहुत कोशिश कर रहा हूँ लेकिन नहीं भागते. बहुत ही किस्म के ढीठ लोग हैं, ढीठ. बहुत सारे मेथड्स यूज़ करें, नहीं कुछ हुआ. सो आई थॉट दैट ठीक है, इसको भी यूज़ करके देख लेते हैं. सो आई डोंट नो वेदर गाइस कैन सी, आई हैव डार्क सर्कल्स, अ लॉट ऑफ डार्क सर्कल्स. सी दिखाना या. So second thing is like it helps you to reduce dark circle. अरे सब्जी वाले भैया थोड़ी देर बाद बेच लो, थोड़ा आगे जाके बेच लो, नहीं लेनी हम लोगों को सब्जी, अभी है हमारे पास सब्जी. ओके एनीवेज, सो या, जोक्स अपार्ट, आई रियली रिस्पेक्ट एवरीवन. सो दिस इज जस्ट अ जोक. हाँ, थर्ड थिंग इज दैट इट मेक्स यू मोर एनर्जेटिक. like you will feel more energy after drinking that much amount of water throughout your day. Another benefit which they suggest is that, which is like what was that, yeah, it helps you to lose some amount of kilos. And like see because I don't know whether it helped me to reduce some amount of kilos or not in my from my body. If it did, then I'm very happy and I will continue this throughout my life, because I really like to drink water. And nowadays in India, mostly we guys are suffering from summers are going on in India, and especially in summers we have to be hydrated. Although we have to be hydrated every time, but still in summers we need water more as compared to winters, and we have to be more hydrated in summer. So it's good, it will give hydration to my body. सो दीज आर द कपल ऑफ बेनिफिट. रेस्ट मैं आपको बता दूंगा क्योंकि मुझे याद नहीं है, बट यार जो मेजर बेनिफिट्स थे वो मैंने आपको बता दिए. अनदर थिंग इज दैट आई विल गोइंग टू ट्राई दिस पर्टिकुलर चैलेंज फॉर 7 days. मैं 7 days तक इसको ट्राई करूँगा एंड लेट्स सी क्या होता है. और जो भी होगा मैं आपको अपडेट बताता रहूँगा. विद दैट जस्ट अ सेकेंड गाइस, अभी रुकना, मैं आपको एक चीज़ बता दूँ. रुकना. एक्चुअली मैं एक फ़ोन लेकर आया जिसमें थोड़ा आप लोगों को टाइम पता चल जाएगा. एंड लेट्स आई ओपन इट एंड आई होप यू गाइज विल एबल टू सी दिस दैट व्हाट्स द टाइम गोइंग ऑन. सो इट्स 11:25 एंड इट्स May 10 टुडे. 10 मई है और 11:30 के करीब टाइम हो रहा है. सो आज से ही हम स्टार्ट करेंगे अपना चैलेंज. सो आज से लेके 17 तारीख तक, यानी कि 17th May तक हमारा चैलेंज चलेगा. एंड 18th May को हमारा फाइनल वीडियो मैं इसमें ऐड करूँगा, विच विल बी द कंक्लूजन दैट मुझे क्या बेनिफिट्स लगे. ऑल्दो मैं एक चीज़ और बोलूँगा, मैं रोज़ वेट अपना चेक नहीं करूँगा. मैंने आज सुबह अपना एम्प्टी स्टमक वेट चेक करा था, विच वॉज 75 kilos. सो मैं रोज़ वेट चेक नहीं करूँगा. मैं आई एम फिंगर क्रॉस्ड, मैं चेक करूँगा 18th तारीख को अपना वेट. एंड आई विल बी फॉलोइंग द नॉर्मल डाइट. मैं कुछ फैंसी डाइट नहीं करने वाला, मैं कुछ डाइटिंग नहीं करने वाला. जो मैं नॉर्मल खाता हूँ वो मैं खाऊँगा. एंड ये सब चीज़ें करेंगे. एंड इट इज़ वेरी मच इम्पॉर्टेंट यार, लाइक टू स्टे हाइड्रेटेड. एंड एवरी वन ऑफ अस आर फेसिंग ऑलमोस्ट एवरी वन ऑफ अस आर फेसिंग एनी काइंड ऑफ स्किन प्रॉब्लम. एंड लाइक ठीक है, ये लॉकडाउन की वजह से हम लोग बहुत मोटे भी हो जाते हैं एंड बहुत बोरिंग जा रहा था लिटरली यार. मेरे स्टार्टिंग के 2 हफ्ते ना बहुत बोरिंग गए हैं. 3 हफ्ते, क्योंकि ये 4th वीक है दिल्ली में लॉकडाउन का. एंड 3 हफ्ते मेरे बहुत ही निहायती बोरिंग गए हैं. सो मेरे पास कुछ था भी नहीं. सो मैंने सोचा क्यों ना ट्राई करते हैं. एंड आप लोग भी, अगर आप लोगों को अच्छा लगे वीडियो तो आप लोग ट्राई कर सकते हैं. एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू फॉलो मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, क्योंकि मैं वहाँ पे भी अपने रील्स डालता रहता हूँ और अपना वो सब IGTVs डालता हूँ. सो छोटी वीडियोज़ जो होती हैं वो मैं इंस्टाग्राम पे डाल देता हूँ, बड़ी वीडियोज़ होती है उसको मैं यूट्यूब पे बनाता हूँ. सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर फर्स्ट डे एंड दिस इज़ आवर day 1. सो मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ मेरा बॉटल कौन सा है. जस्ट अ सेकेंड. आई होप आप लोग कह रहे होंगे कि यार एक बार में सब जगह मान एक जगह रख ले, बट इसका मना, सॉरी मैं भूल गया था. एक्चुअली दिस इज़ ऑन माई 1 liter बॉटल. ओके सॉरी, टैंक का मिला हुआ बॉटल है, बहुत टाइम पहले का. सो ये 1 liter का बॉटल है. ऐसे मैं 7 बॉटल्स पूरा और एक हाफ बॉटल पीऊँगा डेली का. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट बिगिंस विद द चैलेंज, बिकॉज अभी तक 11:30 हुए हैं और मैंने, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट विद यू गाइस, मैंने अभी 1 लीटर पानी पी चुका हूँ मैं. क्योंकि मेरे को एक हैबिट है, जब भी मैं सुबह उठता हूँ तो मेरे को कम से कम आधा से 1 लीटर पानी मैं सुबह उठने के बाद पीता हूँ. बिकॉज वेन एवर आई वेकअप आई फाइंड माई माउथ टू बी वेरी ड्राई. सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग आवर टाइम, बिकॉज आप लोग भी सोच रहे हो कितना बड़बड़ करे जा रहा है. सॉरी फॉर दैट, बहुत गंदा था. मेरे को पता है मेरे जोक्स में किसी को हंसी नहीं आती, बट स्टिल मार देता हूँ. सो अभी तक मैं 1 लीटर पानी पी गया हूँ. अब मैं इसको रिफिल करूँगा दोबारा और नाउ आई विल बी ड्रिंकिंग माई 2nd liter ऑफ वाटर. एंड जो भी जैसा भी होता है मैं आप लोगों को अपडेट करता रहता हूँ. दिस इज़ आवर day 1 एंड दिस इज़ माई 2nd bottle what I said, bottle. क्या सॉरी, आई एम सॉरी, इट्स माई 2nd bottle, नॉट बॉटल. मेरा 2nd बॉटल है day 1 का. दैट मीन्स 2nd liter ऑफ वाटर मैं इसको पीऊँगा, अभी भरूँगा और मैं इसको पीऊँगा. सो यार लेट्स सी कैसा होता है. तो यार मेरे को ना ये फ़ोन रखने में बड़ी प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, जस्ट बिकॉज मैंने जो रिमोट होता है ना टीवी का, उस पर फ़ोन को टिका रखा है. क्योंकि मेरा ट्राइपॉड ख़राब हो गया है। सो या दिस इज़ माई सेकेंड लीटर, लाइक दूसरा बॉटल मैंने थोड़ा सा सिप ले भी लिया है। So I'll be drinking this whole bottle of water. Sorry, मैंने क्या बोलते हैं? So I'll be drinking this whole bottle of water, and मैं इसको पूरा ख़त्म करूँगा. I will finish it, and I will drink more 5.5 bottles like this. अभी बज रहे हैं आई थिंक 9, 9:30 रात के. It's around 9:30 in the night, and I'm on my terrace, and this is the 7th bottle. Till now I drank total 6 liters, that means 6 bottles like this, and this is my 7th bottle. That means I have to drink this one and more half bottle, this much more, half more bottle like this. And यार बहुत ज़्यादा ना मुश्किल हो रहा है, because in my first day I'm not used to of drinking this much amount of water. I hardly used to drink around I would say how much, 3 liters. This time I'll be drinking around double of what I drink every day, so it is quite hard for me. And even I just had my dinner, बिल्कुल मन नहीं था खाना खाने का, because पानी पी के 6 लीटर पानी पी के बहुत ज़्यादा फुल लगता है. एंड अभी भी मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा फुल लग रहा है. इट्स लाइक काइंड ऑफ आई एम नॉट एबल टू कंप्लीट दिस वन, बट कंप्लीट करना है. एंड आई विल ड्रिंक इट गाइस, डेफिनेटली आई विल गोना ड्रिंक इट. एंड आई होप दिस इज़ माई फर्स्ट डे, दैट इज़ आई एम फेसिंग दिस मच. और मैंने जितना स्टडी करा था इस आर्टिकल के बारे में, एंड जितना भी मैंने यूट्यूब वीडियोस देखे थे, उस समय यही था कि फर्स्ट 2 days वो क्वाइट डिफ़िकल्ट, बट उसके बाद you become used to, your body become used to it. So hey everyone, अभी बज रहे हैं, it's our day 2 of our challenge, and right now it's 7:30 in the morning. It's on 11th of May 2021, and I just woke up. And so our first thing which we have to do today is to drink one more water bottle like this. Like, it's the first water bottle which I will going to drink it. And I will say day 1 में तो as such कोई changes मुझे लगे नहीं. The only change which I can determine is that I'm eating quite less, just because I'm feeling full whole day. Rest I don't find any kind of a changes. बट हाँ, ये सब चीज़ों का चेंज आने में टाइम लगता है. वी कांट से कि एक ही दिन में चेंज आ जाएगा. See how much amount of double change I have. This much. यार कितना फैट है. Literally man. Although I had reduced a lot, but still this much I am fed up of being chubby. But yeah, we'll figure out कैसे कम होगा, क्या होगा, and ये चैलेंज कंप्लीट करते हैं. So I'll see you. This day 2nd of our that 7 liters in a day water challenge. Until now I completed around 5 liters, and I'll show you guys. This is the 6th bottle which I will going to complete. To be very honest with you guys, I'm not doing cheating. I'm whatsoever I'm drinking, I'm telling you guys. Till now I really drink 5 liters, and this is the 6th one. And I can say the couple of benefits I can see. Even my skin becomes quite shiny right now, and I'm eating less as compared to earlier. With that, I just have my dinner, and I can say my first day, that means yesterday, it was difficult for me to finish the 7 liters, but 7.5 liters. But right now, today I am quite habitual. My body becomes habitual, and this is a 6 liter, and till now I didn't face any problems to complete my 1 liter, like 6 liters. Till now 5 liters I completed, and I didn't face any problem, and I don't think so that more 2.5 liters it will gonna create any kind of a problem for me. So I'll keep you updated. So hey guys, currently it's around 9 o'clock, and this is the day 3 of our challenge of drinking 7 liters of water in a day. And I'm not wake up right now. I wake up at around 8 o'clock in the morning. till now I haven't drank even a single drop of water, and I'm feeling thirsty. I am feeling too light. Like basically, I'm not feeling bloated, which I used to feel every day when I was not drinking this much amount of water. So these are the couple of good things which I noticed till now. And the best thing right now is that I'm not eating too much, which is which really helped me to do weight loss. Till now I'm liking it, and first day was very difficult for me to complete 7.5 liters, but yesterday it was quite easy. I completed 7.5 liters of water, and I hope today it will be just a piece of cake for me. It will be nothing. I can easily compare, and I'll try my best to take it to 8 liters. I'll tell you guys. So everyone, just about completed my work. As you guys can see, I was studying. I just completed my work, and with that I completed my fifth bottle of water. That means 5 liters till now I have completed. And this time today, as you guys know, it's day 3, and till now it is very easy for me to complete 5 liters. And right now I'm feeling more thirsty. That means I can easily complete more water, and I think today I end up drinking more than 7.5 liters. So guys, today is the day 4 of our challenge, and I just woke up. Currently it is around 7:30 in the morning. I just woke up and it's raining outside. It's amazing, literally amazing. So yesterday I drank somewhere around 7.5 liters. I was not able to complete 8 liters properly, but yeah, I drank 7.5 liters, and today I will try my best to complete 8 liters. Let's see how things will go, and I'll update you. So guys, today is the day 5th of our challenge, and I just woke up, and currently it's 7:30 in the morning. And I'll show you yesterday how much amount of water I drank. This is the 8th water, and I completed this bottle this much. Still this much water is remaining, but I'm not able to complete this much more water. And yeah, till now it's going absolutely great. So very good morning to all of you guys. Today is 15th of May, and today is the 6th day, and this, I would say, the second last day of our challenge of drinking 7 liters of water in a day. And currently it's 8 o'clock in the morning. I woke up at 7 o'clock, 6:37, somewhere around that only. And you guys can see I'm still quite little bit of sleepy, and I'm having my morning drink, which I make by using 250 ml of water and putting ginger and lemon and small amount of honey into it. This is my morning drink. And yesterday it was a great achievement for me. I drank around somewhere around more than 8 liters, 8.5 liters. That was a great achievement for me, that I drank 8.5 liters yesterday. And you guys can easily see the changes, that my skin is quite better, and it's shining. And although dark circles are there, I can see there are a lot of dark circles, but let's see, I'll continue more of it, because it's around 1 week and these are the natural remedies, so it takes time, but still, like, it is working a lot, I would say, this thing. And fingers crossed, tomorrow is the last day for our challenge, and on Monday, empty stomach, I'll be checking my weight. I'll be making the final video of this particular challenge, and then most probably by Tuesday I will upload the video. Hey everyone, and I would say this is the last day of our challenge of drinking 7 liters of water in a day. I just completed my workout. As you guys can see, I'm full of sweat, and with that I'm about to complete my 3rd liter of water, which is like, until now it's 4:30 in the evening, I'm just about to complete only 3 liters. I don't know how I'm going to complete 8 more 5 liters, but I'll try my best and best and best. And as I promise you guys that I will drink 8 liters of water or 7.5 liters of water. That means 2 gallons of water in a day. So I'll definitely wanna do that. Right now it's 9 o'clock in the night, and this is the 7th bottle which I'm drinking. At 4:30 it looks like that how I'm gonna complete the 8 liters today, but because at that time I just completed only 3 liters, but this time I can say this is the 7th bottle and I can complete one more bottle, so I'll do it, take it to 8 liters. So let's see. What's up, lovely people? Yesterday we completed our challenge of drinking 7 liters of water in a day, and today is the day when I will give you review what changes I see in myself, and what I feel, and will I continue with this thing in future or not. To be very honest with you guys, I really like this program of drinking 7 liters or 7.5 liters of water in a day. As when you drink this much amount of water, I'm really very sorry for the background noises. These are the vegetable vendors like in the street. I'm really very sorry. So forget about those noises. So let's keep on. Um, I really like this program of drinking 7 liters of water in a day, and to be very honest with you guys, I'll continue this program in my future. I don't know whether you guys can make out a difference or not, but as you guys can see, my face is looking little bit at a slimmer side as compared to what you see a week ago. I will put a picture on this side. You must be seeing a picture of mine when I started the challenge on this side, and you guys can easily compare. Another thing is that you guys can easily see the glow on my face becomes much more glowing right now, and yeah, my skin is shining a lot. See this part, it's shining a lot. So this is the magical effects of drinking 7 liters of water. Water is really a very magical remedy which gives you a lot of benefits, and it gave me a lot of benefits. And another thing is that the biggest benefit which I would say, I consider it as a biggest benefit, because every morning when I used to wake up, I used to wake up bloated. My stomach, I used to feel, always used to feel bloated, but after drinking this much amount of water, I never feel bloated. So that is a great thing. And another thing is that I didn't work out entire week because of some, like, I want to see that what changes only drinking water can make. So what difference it can make, so it make a difference. So I would say I didn't work out, I was not even following a particular diet. I was eating fried foods, I was eating uh, soft drinks, cola, because I haven't drank a cola. I haven't drank a cola from a very long time, so I really want to drink a cola. So I drink cola last week, and so these are the things which I was doing. And still, at the starting of my week, my weight was 75 kilos, as I told you guys. And by eating this much amount of junk food, this much amount of fried food, unhealthy food, I didn't gain even a single pound. Currently also my weight is 75, which is a great thing because I'm a person who can easily gain weight. So I didn't gain weight. I didn't lose weight, so at that time I didn't gain weight. So thumbs up for this thing. Another benefit is, like as I told you, my skin becomes glowing. The third benefit is the dark circles. Although I will not say the dark circles are completely gone, and even you guys can easily see there are still the dark circles are there, but it become lighter as compared to earlier. I showed you the picture also, and you guys can easily see the difference, that earlier my dark circles were quite darker, like at the darker side, and now it's becoming lighter. So that is why, like, if I continue more the drinking this much amount of water, so it will become light, it will go on to the lighter side. So this is the one of the great benefit which I like, that dark circle, because it is really hard to remove dark circle. Benefit which I like is that one thing I want to share with you guys is that on the third day I got a breakout on this region. I got a breakout, but that like waved off on that day only. On fourth day when I checked, there was no pimple. So I would say that was a great sign. Your skin becomes so healthy, it becomes so refreshing that you didn't get a breakout. So this is another benefit which I saw. And my experience, it was a great experience drinking that much amount of water. I drank, initially it was quite difficult for me to drink this much amount of water, because I don't used to drink this much amount of water in my on daily basis. I used to drink hardly 3 liters or 3.5 liters, not more than that. So it was double what I used to eat, or sorry, what I used to drink. And yeah, so it was quite difficult for me initially to do, but one after second day it was easy for me, because it was just a piece of cake for me, because your body become habitual. Your body is much more smarter than you. So your body becomes habitual. So once your body becomes habitual, so you face no problem. I didn't face any kind of a problem. And I would say it was a great thing. Everyone should follow this. Like, if you don't have any problems, you guys can follow. Another thing which I want to tell, and I'm not a medical practitioner, or I'm not a scientist, or I'm not a fitness expert. This is an experiment which I did on myself, which really worked on me. So I'm not forcing somebody. So it is a experiment which I did for myself, just for a fun purpose, just to see the results. I'm not forcing you guys to do perform this kind of experiment. So this is the thing. And yeah, keep me posted that about your experience if you guys try. So write it down in comment box that what was your experience trying this much amount of water, drinking this much amount of water. This is all for today. And another thing is that I really want you guys, if you really like this video, so please press a like button. If you didn't like this video, you feel free to press the dislike button. And please share this video with your friends and family, so that they can also take out the maximum benefit from this video. And another thing is that if you guys want that I make more challenges like this, so please comment down below what challenges should I perform, because there are a couple of challenges which I have, which is there in my mind. So I'll make videos on that. But you guys also comment down below what challenges you like these challenges, and what kind of challenges you guys really want me to perform. So I'll make videos on that. So I'll see you guys very soon in our next episode of Buka Imanshu. And so this is all for today. I'll see you guys very soon. Till then, bye bye everyone. Take care and stay safe. And I'll wait to see you.